10 financial mistakes keeping you broke and how to fix them. We've all made financial mistakes, right? It's part of life. But some of those mistakes can really hold us back from building wealth and achieving our financial goals. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or not being able to save as much as you'd like, it's time to take a closer look at your money habits. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 common financial mistakes that could be keeping you broke. And more importantly, I'll show you how to fix them. If you're ready to take control of your finances and start building a solid financial future, keep watching. Quote 10. Not having a budget. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not having a budget. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going, which leads to overspending and missed savings opportunities. A budget doesn't have to be complicated. It's simply a plan for how you'll spend your money each month. By tracking your income and expenses, you can make sure that you're spending in alignment with your goals and avoid wasting money on things that don't matter. How to fix it? Start by tracking your expenses for 1 month. Write down every penny you spend. Yes, even those small coffee runs. Once you have a clear picture of where your money goes, you can create a budget that ensures you're spending wisely. Use tools like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to help keep track of your spending automatically. Chapter 9. Not saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and that's why having an emergency fund is so important. Many people make the mistake of living without any financial cushion, relying on credit cards or loans when unexpected expenses pop up. This often leads to debt and financial stress. How to fix it? Start building an emergency fund. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a savings account. You don't have to do this overnight. Start small by saving a set amount every month until you've built up a comfortable cushion. Having this fund will give you peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for any financial surprises. 8. Living beyond your means. Another common mistake is living beyond your means. This happens when you spend more money than you actually earn. It's easy to get caught up in keeping up with the latest trends or lifestyle, but when you're living paycheck to paycheck, it can leave you stuck in a cycle of debt. How to fix it? Be mindful of your spending habits. It's important to distinguish between wants and needs. Try avoiding impulse purchases and think twice before buying something you can't afford right now. Consider setting limits on non-essential spending and focus on saving or investing the extra money. Over time, this will help you live within your means and avoid financial strain. 7. Not paying off. High interest debt, especially from credit cards, can be a major obstacle to building wealth. Many people make the mistake of paying only the minimum amount due, which can keep them in debt for years. The interest on this type of debt compounds quickly, making it harder to get ahead. How to fix it? Make a plan to pay off your high-interest debt as soon as possible. Start by paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first, while making minimum payments on your other debts. Once you've paid off the high-interest debt, redirect those funds toward other debts. You could also consider transferring your credit card balance to one with a lower interest rate, or consolidating your debt for a lower monthly payment. 6. Not taking advantage of employer benefits. If you have a job that offers employer benefits, like a 401k match, health insurance, or other perks, you could be missing out on a huge opportunity. Many people don't fully utilize these benefits, leaving money on the table that could help secure their financial future. How to fix it? Take full advantage of any employer-sponsored benefits that are available to you. Contribute enough to your 401k to get the full employer match, because that's essentially free money. Review your health insurance options and make sure you're getting the coverage you need at the best price. If you don't understand your benefits, talk to your HR department or a financial advisor to make sure you're making the most of what's available. 5. Ignoring retirement savings. It's easy to put off saving for retirement, especially when it feels so far away. But the earlier you start, the better. Many people make the mistake of focusing too much on short-term expenses and not saving enough for the future, leaving them in a tough spot when they reach retirement age. How to fix it? Start saving for retirement as early as possible. If your employer offers a 401k, Make sure you're contributing, especially if they match your contributions. If you're self-employed or your employer doesn't offer a retirement plan, consider opening an IRA, individual retirement account. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Even small contributions now can make a big difference later. Method 4. Failing to invest. Saving money is important, but it's also important to grow your wealth. Many people make the mistake of not investing, assuming it's too complicated or risky. The truth is, investing is one of the best ways to build wealth over time. While the stock market can seem intimidating, the long-term benefits of investing far outweigh the short-term risks. How to fix it? Start investing, even if it's just a small amount. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds, to get started. These investment options give you broad exposure to the market and are less risky than individual stocks. You can also automate your investments by setting up regular contributions to a brokerage account or retirement fund. The key is to start early and stay consistent. 3. Not having insurance. Many people make the mistake of thinking insurance is an unnecessary expense, but having the right insurance can protect you from financial disaster. Whether it's health insurance, car insurance, renters or homeowners insurance, having coverage is important in case something goes wrong. How to fix it? Make sure you have the right types of insurance based on your lifestyle and needs. Review your policies regularly to make sure you're covered for the things that matter most. Shop around for the best rates and make sure you're not paying for unnecessary coverage. While it might feel like an expense you can skip, not having insurance could cost you much more in the long run. Step 2. Overlooking your credit score. Your credit score is one of the most important factors when it comes to your financial health. A low credit score can lead to higher interest rates on loans, credit cards, and even affect your ability to rent or get a job. Many people neglect their credit score until it's too late, which can make it harder to get approved for loans or secure affordable financing. How to fix it? Check your credit score regularly and make sure there are no errors on your report. Pay your bills on time and work to reduce any outstanding debt. If your score is low, focus on paying down credit card balances and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. Over time, improving your credit score will help you save money on loans and secure better financial opportunities. 1. Not having a financial plan. Finally, one of the biggest mistakes you can make is not having a clear financial plan. Without a plan, it's easy to get sidetracked, make impulsive decisions, and struggle to reach your financial goals. A financial plan helps you stay focused, prioritize your spending, and make sure you're taking the right steps to secure your financial future. How to fix it? Take the time to create a financial plan that includes your short-term and long-term goals. Write down your goals, break them into smaller actionable steps, and track your progress regularly. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for retirement, or buying a house, having a clear plan will give you direction and keep you motivated. You can even work with a financial advisor to create a personalized plan that fits your unique situation. So, there you have it. 10 financial mistakes that could be keeping you broke and how to fix them. By making a few changes to your money habits, you can start building a better financial future. Start by creating a budget, saving for emergencies, and making sure you're taking full advantage of your benefits and retirement options. The key is to start small and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more practical financial tips. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances and start making smarter money decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.